What's up, guys? As you know, the 2024 Work and Play giveaway is live and rolling. If you haven't yet, it's time to get entered. But today we're going to take a look at the two PSAs that we're giving away, and we're going to learn the differences between them. So the two trailers shared a lot of the same features. So we're going to start at the front on the Classic and kind of work through some of the features that they share together. Then we'll jump over to the Venture and show you just what Venture Edition means. At the front, we've got the adjustable Demco Easy Latch coupler, which is super simple. Got a nice flip up jack here. You got your coiled safety cables versus those rattly chains. One really neat feature is the storage box. And so it's got several functions that are really cool. One, you've got this tray on top where you can haul maybe a small ice chest, something like that on top, tie down to the sides. But then it opens for actual having storage. So you can put straps in there or a quart of oil or whatever you would need to go to the trails or maybe to the job site for mowing. You know, you can put a nice amount of stuff in there locked out of the way. But where it actually gets even more interesting is you see there's no spare mount around the side of the trailer to be in the way. That's because the spare is mounted actually under the box on a spare winch, just like your pickup truck, which is really cool because it keeps it out of the way, but it's there when you need it. Moving on, the PSA has a 2-inch 2 3/8 round pipe top, which is really nice and smooth, gives it a sleek finish. This one we actually outfitted with the expanded metal sides as well, which is really cool because it helps keep things in it. So you've got a mower, you've got, weed eater, you got these different things that you want to put over in the bed, but you don't want them to be able to slip out, right? The littler things. Well, the expanded metal sides work really well for that. You've got tie downs here on the outside built into the uprights. Then you've also got tie downs extra on the inside. They come with that expanded metal package. One thing we'll talk about is the engineered 4-inch channel framework. So the outer frame here is 4-inch engineered channel, as well as the tongue is 4-inch engineered channel. What's cool about that is it is spec'd thickness and height for this specific length application. So it's a little bit lighter than structural 4-inch channel, but it is, again, engineered out of higher yield strength material, so it is nice and stout for the long haul, long-term durability. We got the really cool Jeep style fender here with a flat top. Can be used for actually setting stuff there as a step. We've got the steps integrated front and back. Easy lube or super lube axle. Moving on back is where it gets really fun for me. You've got this new tail end with the integrated light and step combination, but then you have the easy bifold gate. It's super simple, raising the outer half up, then you unpin each side and it's spring assisted to come down. We'll go ahead and lower that down and give you a view. Man, just like that. It's super simple. A really nice approach angle, loading, again, a mower, side by side, you name it, even a wheelbarrow. Running a wheelbarrow up it is really nice and smooth. And then going back up, just the same. It's very easy to use, very user-friendly. The cool thing about the bifold gate, we started doing it this way, gosh, 25 years ago, and it really cuts down your wind drag versus a big standard 4-foot gate that's that tall. Like this expanded metal, even though it has holes in it, tends to act like a parachute. And so when it's 4 foot tall, especially on smaller vehicles and things, smaller SUV, it really can affect your fuel mileage. And so anyways, it looks really cool as well. So now we'll jump over to the Venture Edition and go through, what does that mean? What is Venture Edition and why might it be the trailer for you? All right, one last note before we move on to the Venture Edition. The Classic that we took a look at is in the recently reintroduced metallic mocha. It's a sweet color, very neutral, hides dirt and things well, so awesome color, just make that note. Moving on to the Venture Edition. So this package is kind of more for the adventurous heart, if you will. It comes with a handful of items kind of grouped together when you select the Venture Edition. Number one up front, we'll start with the Rhino brand ratchet straps. It comes with a set of 4 of these, and if you've never used them, man, they're really awesome. They'll make you throw away a conventional strap in a heartbeat. You pull it out and it ratchets, you hear it, push the button, sucks it back in. So it comes with a set of 4 of these for tying down whatever it is that you need to tie down. Moving on to the LED work light. It's mounted right behind the box. It's protected, but it's really cool. It's got its own switch here so that in the morning, maybe it hadn't broke daylight yet and you're getting loaded up and you need to light up the deck, or you've had a long day of riding or working and at the end of the day, it's already dark and you need to unload or reload, you can actually flip the light on and it illuminates the deck for easy access. The next thing we'll look at is the mud shield. So this whole front sheet metal on all the way across, it actually helps protect your cargo, maybe your expensive side-by-side, a dirt box, whatever it is that you have loaded. This right here protects it from the tow vehicle to spray either road debris, say gravel, whatever it is coming off the tires. It doesn't go right up under the rail and hit whatever you have. It actually protects it. The last thing that the Venture Edition comes with is a really cool black aluminum wheel and an all-terrain tire. So it's a good off-road tire. It's a 235 size, heavy duty, and it actually rides really well because of that sidewall. The last thing to note about the Venture Edition we looked at is the beautiful custom army green color. It just looks really slick. Jump on the DiamondC.com website. There you can get entered. What are you waiting for? The time is now. You could take one of these two home with you at the end of this giveaway.